Usually, updating is the hardest of the CRUD operation. It's the one that has the most complexity. But since our model has only two properties, implementing the update will be very straightforward, even from a user interface perspective. In the update product method, let's change the signature so that it accepts a product as a parameter. Let's again create an instance of the product's context, and then we will simply use the update method, passing the product and saving the changes. In the product service, let's add a method to handle the operation. Then, as we did in the delete method and on the get product method, we need to present the user with the list of products and get the user choice of product that they want to update. After that, we can grab the code that has the nzconsole.ask and put it in the update product method, and this will be assigned to the name property of the chosen product. So we don't need to create a new object. We're going to use the object that was chosen by the user coming from the get product option input, and we will simply modify the property that we want, which is the name. And then we'll pass that product as a parameter to the update product in the controller. Then in the menu, let's call the service instead of the controller. And that should be enough. Let's test the application. So I have these three coffees. I'm going to choose Americano and I will update its name. I'm going to call it Latte Americano, and the name was updated as we expected. In the next lesson, let's see how we can add a property to the model. We're going to include the price in the product model.